Today, you will learn why everything is connected. You see, nature operates as a complex, interwoven web where every organism, no matter how small, plays a role in the larger system. This concept of interconnectedness is fundamental to ecology, which studies how species interact with one another and their environment. From the microscopic bacteria in soil that help plants grow to apex predators like wolves that regulate prey populations, the balance of ecosystems hinges on collaboration and coexistence. James Lovelock's Gaia hypothesis presents Earth as a self-regulating living system where the atmosphere, oceans, and biosphere work together to sustain life. For instance, phytoplankton in the ocean produce more than 50% of the planet's oxygen, while simultaneously serving as a food source for countless marine organisms. Scientific studies also demonstrate how disruptions in one part of this web, such as deforestation or species extinction, can cascade across ecosystems, causing widespread harm. This interconnectedness emphasizes the delicate balance of life and the profound reliance each organism has on another, reminding us that the survival of one depends on the health of the whole. Symbiosis is one of nature's most fascinating demonstrations of interconnectedness, showcasing how species depend on each other to thrive. Mutualistic relationships, such as those between bees and flowering plants, ensure the survival of both parties. Bees gain nectar for food while pollinating plants to enable reproduction. Mycorrhizal fungi, often referred to as the wood wide web, form vast underground networks that connect tree roots, facilitating the exchange of nutrients and even chemical signals. A 2019 study published in Nature found that these fungal networks not only help trees share resources, but also enable them to warn each other about threats like pests or disease. Even parasitic and commensal relationships, though seemingly one-sided, play vital roles in ecosystems. For example, remoras hitching a ride on sharks benefit from scraps of food while having minimal impact on their hosts. These examples underscore a fundamental truth. Life on Earth has evolved not in isolation, but through intricate partnerships that reveal the cooperative essence of survival. At the smallest scales of life, quantum biology offers a new perspective on the interconnectedness of all living things. Quantum entanglement, a phenomenon where particles become linked and affect each other regardless of distance, provides a striking metaphor for unity in nature. Recent discoveries show that quantum effects are not limited to physics but play a role in biological processes as well. For instance, the precise efficiency of photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy, relies on quantum coherence, allowing energy to travel through molecular pathways with minimal loss. Birds, like European robins, navigate using quantum entanglement in their magnetoreceptors, sensing Earth's magnetic fields to guide their migration. A 2020 study in physical chemistry chemical physics further suggests that enzymes use quantum tunneling to accelerate biochemical reactions, vital for sustaining life. These insights reveal that even at a molecular level, life is interconnected through the laws of physics, challenging our understanding of separation and reinforcing the unity of existence. All life on Earth shares a universal genetic code, a profound testament to our common origin. DNA, the molecular blueprint for life, uses the same 4 nucleotide bases, adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, to encode genetic information across species from bacteria to humans. This shared language of life reveals a deep evolutionary connection, as demonstrated by the discovery that humans share approximately 98.8% of their DNA with chimpanzees and even 60% with bananas. The Human Genome Project, completed in 2003, unveiled the remarkable similarity in genetic sequences among diverse species, further solidifying the idea of a shared biological heritage. Horizontal gene transfer, a process where genes move between species, also blurs the lines of individuality, highlighting the fluid exchange of genetic material in microbial communities and beyond. This unity at the molecular level underscores the idea that all living organisms are branches of the same evolutionary tree, connected by a shared lineage that traces back billions of years. The idea of a shared consciousness among living beings has captivated both mystics and scientists alike. Carl Jung's concept of the collective unconscious suggests that humanity shares a reservoir of inherited memories and archetypes that shape our thoughts and behaviors. Expanding beyond humans, Rupert Sheldrake's theory of morphic resonance proposes that all living organisms are connected by a collective memory field, influencing how species evolve and learn. In the animal kingdom, studies of social animals like dolphins, elephants, and bees reveal remarkable instances of group intelligence and synchronized behavior, as if guided by a shared awareness. Neuroscience offers additional insights, such as experiments on mirror neurons, which activate when observing others' actions, enabling empathy and social bonding. Research published in Trends in Cognitive Sciences in 2021 suggests that these neural mechanisms extend to interspecies interactions, deepening the sense of connection between humans and animals. These findings suggest that consciousness itself may not be an isolated phenomenon, but a networked experience that links all life forms. Across cultures and spiritual traditions, the interconnectedness of all living things has been a cornerstone of belief systems and practices. Indigenous teachings often emphasize a deep respect for nature, viewing humans as part of a greater whole rather than separate from it. Eastern philosophies, such as Buddhism and Hinduism, stress the principle of oneness, where all existence is interconnected and interdependent. This idea is reflected in practices like meditation and yoga, which aim to cultivate awareness of this unity. Mystical traditions, from Sufism to Kabbalah, describe experiences of profound connection with all life as a path to spiritual awakening. Modern interpretations of these teachings often align with ecological ethics and sustainability efforts, highlighting the moral imperative to protect the planet. Scientific research supports the psychological benefits of these perspectives, with studies in Frontiers in Psychology in 2020 showing that feelings of interconnectedness enhance well-being and pro-environmental behavior. By integrating spiritual wisdom with scientific understanding, we are reminded of our role in the intricate web of life, inspiring both reverence and responsibility for the world around us.